Hi everyone, welcome to How to Excel YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can connect Google Sheet with Google Form. Before I start, I'm going to tell you why we need to connect a Google Sheet with a Google Form. So first of all, you need to create a Google Form whenever you need multiple responses, right? Like if you are in college, school, or if you are doing any kind of survey, or you are working for an event, or anywhere where you need multiple responses from multiple people, like their email ID, name, and phone number, address, and any kind of details you want. So whenever you need these kind of survey responses or any kind of details from multiple users, you first of all you create a Google form, and then you share the link of that form to different people. When they put all the required information in the Google form, somewhere you need a database where you can see all the responses in a structured way, right? So for that you need to connect a Google Sheet with the Google form, right? So first of all, I will go to Google and then we'll put Google form. This is the website of Google form. Now I will click here, go to forms. Here we can see multiple templates are there for Google form, and then you can create the Google form from the scratch also. And these are some of the forms which I created previously. So in this video I'm not going to show you how you can create the Google form. I think I can create a separate video for that. So for today I'm going to use one of the template. So this one is the one form which I got from the template. The name of the form is contact information. Here we can see multiple responses, multiple fields are there. The first is name, then email, then address, then phone number, comment, and so on. We can add more responses, add more field, and make multiple changes as per your requirement. Now to connect Google Sheet, I will click here on responses. Here you can see option is to connect this form to a sheet. So I will click on link to sheets. You can see the pop-up. Here you have two options. The first option is to create a new spreadsheet. By default you can see the name. This is the form name, contact information, then the next one is the responses. So this will be the name of the Google Sheet which we are going to create. Second option is select existing spreadsheet. This you would require when you already running some survey or some kind of question and answer kind of activities, and you have already connected a Google Sheet, and if you want to connect any existing sheet you can choose this option. For now I'm going with the first option, so I will click on create. See, we have this sheet which is connected with this particular form, and you can see the name of this form is contact information, and by default the name of this Google Sheet is contact information responses. And all the questions you have added here, name, email, address, phone number, and comment, you can see a separate columns for this. So as soon as users will put their information, you can get the information like this. Like first row you will get the first user's information, second row you will get another one, and so on. You can get the uh, all the users details. I will use one example. I will show you one example, and then we'll show you how exactly the responses will be getting stored in this form, in this Google Sheet. So I will use this one. Let's say I'm going to use this link. So here we have a Google form where I need to put the answer. my responses. First one is, let's say, test. Email is also test@test.com. Address, simply test. Phone number and test comment. I will click submit. Yes, that's it, and you can see the information here. So the timestamp, the time we can see here, the date, the name, email, address, phone number, comment. So this is super easy. One more thing I can do here is like, so this is the Google form. Thank you option, response I'm getting after filling the form. Let's say I want to make some changes. Let's say I want to remove test and put something different. Let's say I'm adding this and then submit. So the response won't be changed. The response will get updated with this particular comment. The responder updated this value. So this is how you can comment any Google form, and that's it. This is super easy. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you want to watch more videos on Google Sheets, Data Studio, Analytics, Excel, Google Forms, I request you to follow our channel How to Excel, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.